The image component provides users with the ability to display images on the device, supporting multiple common image formats. Click the Edit button. Drag the image component from the component list into the virtual page. Then click the Add Image button to upload local images to the cloud database for storage. Note: images imported to the cloud can only be displayed when running online via Wi-Fi. They will not be effective when running locally via USB. If you need to use images from the device, or from an SD card, you must reference the local image path in the Blockly module for display. It can be seen that there is a uiflow.png file in the SD card. We will import and display the image.